Hello, good morning. I am Kanwar.
I'm Sneha.
Together we bring to you the next news bulletin. Firstly, news headlines. University examinations to commence from 26th of November.
Kathak artist Miss Nanika Gandhani performed in our college.
UPSC coaching center inaugurated in our college.
Renowned artist Biba Balwant Ji visited in our college.
Diwali and Vishkarma Day celebrated with gusto.
In sports, our college team performed well in volleyball.
Open mic platform for students launched.
Unity Day was celebrated with full enthusiasm.
Youth festival concludes. College win many laurels. University exams will commence from 26th November. Although the syllabus of the courses have been completed by our teachers, but they are having a very hectic schedule so that the students are well prepared for the examinations. Somehow our college have been come in the examination fever and the classes will continue for revision and class test purposes.
On 15th of October, our famous Kathak artist Miss Nanika Gandhani performed in our college, who is from Rajasthan, Gharana. She completed her masters from the Delhi University in Sanskrit and in dance. She gave demo of her dance on the college stage with the coordination and cooperation of his own father and gave tips to the students of the Kathak dance. The live event was organized by the District Heritage Society Gurdaspur. This event was much liked by our students.
Open mic platform for students of the college was launched on 18th October. The basic purpose of this platform is to provide an opportunity to express their views on important issues. It will help them to overcome the feeling of hesitation and become good orators. It will continue to held every second Saturday. Speaking on the occasion, Principal Sir said that this is not a formal sort of dais and that's why it is called open mic platform. As it is open to all, there is a great zeal among students for this program.
On 31 of October, college celebrated National Unity Day with the full enthusiasm. The day is marked to remember and pay homage to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who contributed to unify the India, who is from different princely states to independence. Floral tributes were paid to him by Principal Sir and all the staff members. Scene Run for Unity race was observed by NSS and NCC volunteers of the college. Principal Sir talked in length the role played by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel to unite India with firm and determination and hence rightly called the Iron Man of our India.
Diwali and Vishkarma Day function were held with full zeal in our college. Everybody looked happy and in good mood. In the further festive occasion, Principal Sir advised students to go for Green Diwali this time so that our environment is not harmed. Remembering Lord Vishkarma, he called him deity for whom work was his worship. And this is the lesson we need to learn from his teachings. On the occasion, Professor Joga Singh, Professor Raj Kaur, Professor Sandeep Kaur and Dr. Palvinder Kaur also spoken on this occasion. Dr. Dilbag Singh conducted the stage very well.
Our college volleyball team recently shown outstanding performance in the inter-college competition. Principal Sir and Sports Department congratulated the players for their hard work and dedication. The team continues to train with full determination and enthusiasm as they prepare for the next big matches.
On 13th of October, an additional Deputy Commissioner of Gurdaspur, Shri Harjinder Singh, with our college principal, Dr. Ashwini Kumar Bhalla, inaugurated a coaching center for aspirants of civil services examinations and such other competitive exams in Maharaja Ranjit Singh Bhavan of our college. Addressing to students and the staff of our college, Shri Harjinder Singh said that the coaching for competitive examinations will be totally free. He further said that the online classes will also be taken. Our Honorable Principal Sir encouraged students to make the most of the coaching center.
Our Principal Sir recently held an inspiring podcast conversation with our renowned artist Biba Balwant Ji. The discussion focused on the Punjabi literature, poetry and the role of art in preserving our cultural values, where Biba Balwant Ji shared their life experiences and the poetic journey. Principal Sir highlighted the importance of bringing such a voice to the students to encourage the literacy awareness and the culture pride. The podcast has received the warm appreciation for the positive reviews and the depth of thoughts.
Zonal level youth festival began on 15th of October, ended on 18th October in JNDU campus. Our college won many prizes. We have won first position in Bhangra, English debate and Ghazal singing. In folk dance and choreography, we stood second, and in third in Gidda and Luddi. Overall, our college won the second runners-up trophy in the Zonal Youth Festival. Our principal extended his greetings to the winners of Youth Festival with a cup of tea. This college news bulletin is brought to you with the support from college news team, including Mr. Bilraj Singh of BA first year, Kamalpreet Singh of BA first year, Mr. Nikhil Kumar of BA first year, Ms. Prabjit Kaur of BCom, Ms. Simranjit Kaur of BA first year, and with the support from Professor Karambi sir and Professor Kamal Kumar sir. Hope you have liked this news bulletin. Please subscribe to our channel and we'll bring to you the next college bulletin. Till then, goodbye from Kanwar.
And Sneha.